आज इस वीडियो में हम खान यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड क्लास 10 सितंबर 2013 मैथ्स पेपर 1 सॉल्व करेंगे. सो लेट्स कम टू आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ दिस ईयर. So here we have our first question of this year. The highest common factor of x square minus y square and x minus y whole square. So the factors of x square minus y square are x minus y and x plus y. And the factors of x minus y whole square are x minus y and x minus y. So the common factor between these two expressions is x minus y. So the correct answer would be option A. Then we have our question number 2. The least common multiple of x plus y and x cube plus y cube. So the factors of x plus y will be x plus y and x cube plus y cube. The factor of this expression will be would be x plus y, x square plus x minus xy plus y square. So the common factor are is x plus y, and the uncommon factor is x square minus xy plus y square. So LCM is common factor multiplied by the uncommon factor. So common factor is x plus y and uncommon factor is x square minus xy plus y square. So the LCM would become x cube plus y cube. So the correct answer in this question number 2 is option D. Then we have our question number 3. So we have to simplify this expression a plus b whole square over a plus b, a minus b, and a plus b. So this a plus b and a plus b will be cancelled out. So numerator will be equals to 1 and denominator will be a minus b. So the correct answer would be option C of this question number 3. So quickly let's move to our question number 4, in which we have to identify the proper fraction. So proper fraction is the one in which the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So here in numerator, degree of denominator is 2, and denominator, the degree of the denominator is 2. So this is the improper fraction. Similarly, in option D, we have a highest power of variable 3 in numerator and highest power 2 in denominator. Similarly, highest power 2 in numerator and 1 in denominator. In option B, if we multiply x with x plus 2, the highest power will be 2, and in denominator, the highest power of the variable is 3. So this is the correct answer, in which the degree of the polynomial in numerator is less than the degree of the polynomial in denominator. So correct option is option B. Then let's move to our question number 5, in which we have to find the solution set of this equation. So let's move this 1 over 4 to the right hand side of the equation. So x would become 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So denominators are same, so numerators will be added. So it will become 4 over 4 equals to 1. So the correct answer for the value of x is 1. So option A is the right answer. Then we have question number 6 and 7. In question number 6, we have to again find the solution set of this modulus equation x minus 7 over 2 equals to 0. If we expand the modulus, equation will be equated with positive and negative. So equation is equal to 0. So let's find the value of x. It will become 7 over 2. So the only solution for this modulus equation is at x equals 7 over 2. So the correct answer is option C. Then we have a radical equation in which square root of square root a equals to 2. We have to find the value of a. So let's square both sides to remove one radical sign. So we will get square root of a is equal to 4, and then again squaring both sides. So this radical will be cancelled out with this square. So value of a will become 16. So correct answer is option A. Then we have question number 8, in which we have an inequality where x belongs to the real numbers, and 33 minus x is greater than 30. So first of all, let's shift this plus 33 to the right side of the inequality. So minus x would be greater than 30 minus 33. So minus x is greater than minus 33, plus 30 minus 33. So it will be equals to minus 3. To remove this negative sign, multiply it by minus 1, multiply right side by minus 1. So the inequality would reverse. So x will be less than plus 3. So the correct answer will be x less than 3. So option C is the right answer. Then we have question number 9. The location of this point 2 comma minus 3. So the abscissa is positive and the ordinate is negative. So the value of x is positive and y is negative. So we know that this point would lie in the fourth quadrant of rectangular coordinate system. So option D will be the right answer. Then we have question number 10. If 2x is equals to y minus 2 and the value of y is equal to 0. So we have two equations in which one is the linear equation 2x equals y minus 2, and the other one is y equals to 0, that is parallel to x-axis. So for the value of x, let's put this y equals to 0 in the first equation. 2x equals to 0 minus 2. So x would be equals to minus 1. So the correct answer for the value of x is minus 1. So option B will be the correct answer. Let's see question number 11. For the equation x equals minus 3 and y equals to 3, we have to find the point of intersection. So this line x equals to minus 3. Let's draw these two lines. This is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y, and this is negative of y. So first of all, let's put this line on the graph. X equals to minus 3 will be the point minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 will be this line. This is x equals to minus 3. This is parallel to y-axis. Similarly, let's draw the other line, that is y equals to 3. So this is y equals to 3. So plus 1, plus 2, and plus 3. So if we draw this line, so this is our line, that is y equals to 3. So the point of intersection is this point, and the value of this, as we can see, it is x equals to minus 3 and y is equals to plus 3. So the correct answer for this question will be plus 3, minus 3, value of x minus 3, and for y it is plus 3. So option C will be our right answer. Then we have question number 12, in which we have a quadratic equation in our factorized form. Factorized form. So let's find the solution. So x plus x minus 3 and x plus 2 are the factor of that quadratic equation. So x minus 3, either x minus 3 is equals to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of x are x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 2. So 3 and minus 2 is the correct answer. So option C is the right answer of this question number 12. Then we have question number 13, in which we have a quadratic equation in its standard form, and we have to find the solution, or we have to write the roots of that standard form of quadratic equation. So actually we have to identify the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So option D will be the right answer of this question number 13. Then let's move to our question number 14. In this question, we have a quadratic equation and we have to simplify it in its standard form. So 3 over 2x square minus 3x equals to 9 over 2. So let's multiply whole this equation by 2 to cancel out the denominator. So 2 into 3 over 2x square will be 3x square minus 6x equals to 9. So let's shift this 9 to the left hand side of the equation. 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equals to 0. So this is the standard form of this quadratic equation. So the correct answer we have is in option A. Then in question number 15, we have 2 points. Let's say these are x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. And we have to find the distance between them. So formula of the distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So if we simplify, put the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2, x2 minus x1 will be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 will become 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 whole square. So this will become 0 and 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 whole square. So it will be equals to 1 and the square and root will be cancelled out with each other. So we will have a correct answer that distance is equals to 1. So for question number 15, option D is the right answer. Okay, so let's move to our question number 16. For a given triangle, if P equals to Q and Q is not equals to R, P and Q are equal. So P and Q, these two sides are equal, and Q and R are not equal. It means the R is the unequal side in this triangle PQR. So the type of triangle is simple. So the triangle in which two sides are equal is known as isosceles triangle. So option B is the right answer. Then we have question number 17, and in which we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So let's say this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So the distance between them would be s minus 0 square plus y t minus 0 square. So it will become s square plus t square and its positive square root. So correct answer is option C. Let's move to our question number 18. Consider the given circle with center C and its radius R. The measure of central angle phi is equal to what? So let's apply the formula, that is arc length is equals to radius times the central angle in radians, and arc length is equals to 2r, and radius is equals to r, and theta is phi. So the value of phi will be equals to 2r over r. So the phi central angle is equal to 2 radians. So the correct answer is option C. Then we have question number 19. 1 over 10 square 45. We have to find the value of this expression. We know that the value of tangent 45 degrees is equals to 1. So 1 over 1, 1045 is replaced by its value 1, and 1 square is equal to 1. So 1 over 10 square 45 will be equals to 1. So option C is the right answer. In question 30, the relationship between the radius of the circle R, the arc length L, and theta angle theta. So as we have applied in the previous question, that arc length is equals to radius times theta measured in radians. So L equals r theta is the correct answer that we have in option A. Then let's solve question number 21 and 22. The sine of angle is 0.5. Let's say its angle is theta. So sine theta is equals to 0.5. So as we have studied in our trigonometric table, that the value of sine is 0.5 or 1 over 2 when theta equals 30 degrees. So option A would be the right answer. For the given triangle, right angle triangle PQR, which of the statement is correct? So in the first statement, Q square equals P square plus Q square. So as we can see in the diagram, that the side P is the hypotenuse of this triangle. It means this first condition is incorrect. Then we have condition 2, in which P square equals Q square plus R square. So this is the correct equation, in which this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. Similarly, in condition 3, Q plus R is greater than P. This means that sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So this is also correct. So option 2 and 3, the condition 2 and 3 are correct. So option D would be the right answer of this question number 22. Then let's see question number 23. For the given right triangle, we have to find the value of unknown sides. So as we can see, these two sides are equal, and we are given with the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So let's apply the Pythagoras theorem, that h square is p square plus b square, and hypotenuse is root 2. Its square is equal to x square plus x square. So 2x square will be equals to 2, and the value of x will be equals to 1. So option D is the right answer. Then we have question number 24. Which of the following measures the of sides of our right angle triangle? We have to identify that which of the following sides will form our right triangle. So for a right angle triangle, the theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, should be applicable. So we can check all these options by applying the Pythagoras theorem. So let's check this 3, 4, and 5. So the longest side is 5. So square of the longest side is equals to the sum of square of the other two sides. So 25 will be equals to 9 plus 16, and 25 equals to 25. So Pythagoras theorem is applicable in this triplet of sides. This means that these three sides are of right angle triangle. So option C is the right answer. If PQ is a chord not passing through the center of the circle as shown in this diagram. So if this PQ is the diameter, then angle A should be equals to 90 degree. And as we can see in this diagram that angle A or this angle PAQ lies in the major segment. So, according to the theorems, the angles in the major segments are always acute angle, while if this A would lie in the minor segment, angles in minor segment. Angles in the minor segment are always obtuse. So, the value of A angle PAQ will be less than 90 degrees. So option 2 or the condition 2 would be the only correct in this question. So option B will be our right answer. Then let's see question number 26. The number of circles that may pass through the point P, Q, and R. So these 3 points are non-collinear points, and only and only one circle can pass through three non-collinear points. So correct answer is option B. Then in 27 we have two circles that are touching externally, and their distance, the radius of these two circles are given 4 centimeters and 2 centimeters, and we have to find the distance between the centers of these circles. So in this circle, this line represent the radius that is equals to 2. Similarly, this line also represent the radius of the circle of the larger circle, and it is equals to 4. So this side is 2 and this side is 4. So the distance between C1, C2 will be equals to 6. And according to the theorems, the distance between the centers of two circles touching externally is always equal to sum of their radii. Option B we have is the correct answer for this question. Let's move to our question number 28. The straight line drawn from the center of the circle will bisect a chord. So let's say we have a circle, and let's draw a chord on this circle. This is a chord on this circle, and we have the center of the circle here. So if we draw a line that is passing through the center of the circle. So the question states that it will bisect the chord. So here we have bisected that chord. So these two segments of the chords are equal. Then the angle between the line and the chord. So this is line and this is chord. So according to the theorems on the circle, this line will always be perpendicular to the chord. If this line bisect the chord, then the angle should not be less or equal, less or greater than 90. So option C is the right answer for this question number 28. Let's move to our question number 29. In this question, we have a cyclic quadrilateral in a circle, and we have to find the angle K. So as we have studied in the theorem that in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles of that quadrilateral are always supplementary. that their sum is always equals to 180 degree. So for the value of angle K, it will be equals to 180 degrees minus 115. So if we subtract these 180 and 115, we would get 65 degrees. So angle K is equal to 65 degrees. So option A is the right answer. Then let's move to our last question of this year, that is question number 30. In the given diagram, O is the center of the circle. O we have is the center, and POQ is 60 degrees. POQ, that is the central angle, 60 degree. We have to find the value of X and Y, actually the sum of angle X and Y. So according to the theorem, the angle subtended at the center is double of the angle subtended in the major arc. Major arc, we have two angles that are X and Y. These are the angles subtended in the major arc, while the angle O is the central angle. And according to theorem, this angle is half of the central angle, or central angle is the double of this segmental angle. If the central angle is 60, so the angle in the segment would be equals to 30 degree, and these angle S and R are angles in the same segment that are equals. So these two are 30 degrees. So finally, the sum of X plus Y would be equals to 60 degrees. So option B is the right answer of this last question, that is question number 30.